There are things that I think people would look at and think are extremely dangerous, but to those that are practicing the sports, they really aren't.
For us, the X Games are a chance to really do something completely new and different and make it whatever we want it to be.
ESPN is determined to break new ground when it takes on the challenge of producing the Winter X Games. Creatively, it's an opportunity to push the edge in post-production, but the deadline pressure is enormous.
Speed is the only thing that really challenges my mind.
This year, one of the most distinguished liqueurs in the world was added to the portfolio of one of the country's foremost importers of luxury wines and spirits. Shefflin and Somerset is proud to welcome Grand Marnier to its family of celebrated brands. Grand Marnier, the crowning achievement of France's renowned Marnier L'Apostole Company, has enjoyed great popularity for more than a century.
Take a 2-minute sneak peek at technology and development at Sony. Today, video dubbing can be cumbersome. Someone must cue the material, load blank media in a target deck, and then simultaneously start and later stop both machines. 2 operators must coordinate their efforts when both machines aren't in the same place. How would news operations be different if all this were made simple? We usually think of video segments as one continuous stream, where it's up to operators to select the beginning and end of a segment. In this demonstration, think of video segments as files. Like a word processor file, the system knows the exact start and end of the file. Drag and drop, and the entire file can be copied from one place to another. Instead of copying from your A drive to your C drive, imagine copying from one SX hybrid recorder to another.
Campbell's is a winner everywhere across the land. With the guiding values, we're thinking outside the can. Thanks to you, we're doing better than we ever have. Big strides, we're growing by. Big strides, keep aiming high. Big strides, we're growing by. Big strides, together we'll lead the way all around the world.
Free $340 Sony Web TV value when you surf over to the O'Rourke Brothers booth. Catch the new Sony DSS and Web TV Wave. With a full demonstration, get a free Sony Web TV and a showroom subscription. Check out the new DSS and Web TV compatibility. What are you waiting for? Come surf our turf. Visit the O'Rourke booth number 759 and get your free Sony Web TV.
More than simply responding to change, Aon is constantly exploring new directions, taking risks, creating change.
Teamwork, interdependence, the ability to work together in helping clients fulfill a multitude of needs in many locations is one of Aon's greatest strengths.
Building on that strength, Aon continues to expand its global information and knowledge network, each day bringing the company's many strengths closer to the end user, making it a practical reality to deliver 100% of Aon's capabilities to any client anywhere in the world.
Our Starfleet van is the largest vehicle of its kind in the U.S. And because it's digital, it's ready for the challenge of digital transmission and the interface to the digital roadmap of tomorrow, thus increasing the life of your investment.
You never know what's coming at you. I mean, it's one thing after another after another. As one producer put to me one time, he said, it's the only studio in the world where you don't get a second take. Reliability is the most important thing to us in terms of the equipment we choose for remote television.
I remember when it was enough to target national markets, but nowadays, forget it. I can't even target regionally or locally. I have no choice but to target by account.
I know. All I do is create individual solutions for individual customers.
And everything is negotiable. Everyone wants to make a different deal.
Listen, if you don't give the customer what they want, someone else will.
You're right. We gotta give them what they want. But we gotta be on the same path here. We gotta go in with the same message, the same theme, the same strategy.